Hello students, welcome to URL NEET classes. So today we are going to discuss numerical problems in the biology. So today's selected topic for our discussion is cell cycle. The first question. In a beaker, bacterium are dividing by binary fission with the rate of 20 minutes. If initial number of bacteria in the container is 1.75 into 10 to the power of 32, then how many bacteria produced in 2 hours? So here you should have an idea. What's that mean? That bacteria is dividing for every 20 minutes. So after 2 hours, how many bacteria are going to present? So the starting in the beaker or in the container, it is about 1.75 into 10 to the power 32. So let's see, or let's solve this. So we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 2 hours is equal to 120 minutes. So if you take bacteria is dividing for every 20 minutes, that is 1 is becoming 2, 2 becoming 4 by 4 for every 20 minutes, then for 2 hours, how many times the bacteria will divide? That means if you take 120 minutes, that is nothing equal to 2 hours, and each time bacteria dividing is 20 minutes. If you divide that, you are going to get 6 times. So within 2 hours, bacteria is going to divide 6 times. So for every division, whatever the initial content is there, that is doubling. So like that, the doubling happened here 6 times. So to denote that doubling, we should take exponential. Remember everyone that. So we should take, whenever it's doubling, we should take 2 as a that one, and 2 is the number as a base. So how many times is doubled? In this case, it is doubled 6 times. So we are using 2 to the power of 6. So the given initial number of bacteria is how much more? 1.75 into 10 to the power of 32. For that, you should multiply with 2 to the power of 6. So then how much you are going to get more? It's going to be this number, 112 into 10 to the power of 32, 112 into 10 to the power of 32. Okay, so this how you have to solve this problem, having with a basic idea. Okay, so slowly go through with this one. Now let's move to second. The number of mitotic cell divisions required to produce 256 cells from a single cell. So starting a single cell is there. By mitosis, it is dividing 1 into 2, 1 to 2, 2 to 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 32, 32, 64, 64 to 128, and 128 to 256 cells. So that means that single cell has undergone how many mitotic divisions? 8 mitotic division. That means 2 to the power of 8. So we are going to get how many cells? 256 cells. If the cell divides for 8 times, 256 cells. So everyone should learn the 2 to the power of exponential values for easy calculation. Okay. Third question. The duration which is required for formation of 2 cells from one human cell is provided to each cell. It forms how many cells? First, you should understand the question. Here we are giving one cell's cell cycle timings to the other one. In this case, if you take a artificially growing human cell in the laboratory, it will take 24 hours time. So that's 24 hours time we have to give to each cell, and we should count how many cells are going to come in the duration. So this is the meaning of the question. Got it, ma? Now let's see. So human cell culture or human cell line cells which are growing artificially, they divide for every 24 hours. That means their cell division timing is what, 24 hours. Got it? Or a cell cycle of 24 hours. So when you have to convert this 24 hours into minutes. Why? Because the yeast has the cell cycle of 90 minutes only. So for easy calculation, the unit should be same. Then only we can calculate or we can solve easily. So the hours are converted into the minutes. So 24 hours contain how many minutes? 1440 minutes. So whereas come to the yeast cell, it's a cell cycle divides for 90 minutes. For every one cell cycle, it takes 90 minutes. After that, it divides into two cells. So in 24 hours, yeast can divide how many times? So for one division, it is taking 90 minutes. For 24 hours, it's going to take us 16 times. Got it, ma? So already you have an idea. When we are talking about the doubling, we should take the base as 2. So, and we should give the exponential how many times it is dividing. In this case, within 24 hours, yeast is dividing 16 times. So we should take 2 to the power of 16. So based on this logic, the answer should be B, that is 2 to the power of 16 cells. Got it, ma? Next. So fourth question. If a bacterial cell divides once every minute and takes 60 minutes to fill a beaker, how much time it will take to fill half the beaker? Got it, ma? So we should have some assumptions here to understand this one. So let's compare with the some capacity of a beaker. So here I have taken a beaker of 100 ml capacity. So to fill this 100 ml of the beaker, bacteria will take 60 minutes. This is the given criteria. Based on a logic that one bacteria after one division it become 2. Okay, there is in the number wise. For our easy comparison, let's compare in the volume wise. That means in 1 ml of bacteria, 1 ml of that medium containing bacteria, got it? When you give enough amount of nutrients and if you give 1 minute, that 1 ml containing bacteria will divide and give rise to the 2 ml equal of bacteria. Got it, ma? So that means their volumes keep on increasing for every 1 minute, and that too it's increasing exponential way. It's becoming double. Okay. So as per given criteria, 100 ml of beaker is filled by 60 minutes. So definitely it has to come from a half. So that means just before 60 minutes, at 59th minute, the beaker was filled into half, that is another 50 ml. Got it, ma? So this half beaker which containing 50 ml containing bacteria, if they divide, they add up this extra 50 ml and fills the beaker, that is equal to 100 ml by 60th minute. By 1 minute all this happened. Got it, ma? So with this logic, you can identify the time, or you can calculate the time of any percentage of volume of the beaker filling or the number of bacteria. Got it, ma? So as per this question, the answer should be what, ma? Option should be B, that is 59 minutes. Got it, ma? So based on this logic, you can solve similar type of questions. Okay. So please like to reach more students like you, and please do the comment every time. Please comment what you require, what kind of videos you want. Definitely I will do that one for you people. Got it? And if you like the content, please share to your friend who is in need. And to stay with me, please subscribe. Thank you, students.